grappling with racial and gender inequality. Chapter 4: A Legacy of Reform. For 4 decades, Judge Bolin dedicated herself to the family court, tirelessly working to dismantle the systemic racism and discrimination embedded in the legal system. She championed policies that required publicly funded childcare agencies to accept children of all races and ethnicities. Furthermore, she abolished the practice of assigning probation officers based on race or religion, fostering a more equitable system. Chapter 5: The Enduring Impact. Jane Matilda Bolin's legacy extends far beyond her lifetime. She redefined what was possible for women and people of color in the American legal system. Her relentless pursuit of justice and equality paved the way for future generations, proving that barriers are meant to be broken. Epilogue: A Lesson in Greatness. Jane Matilda Bolin's story teaches us the power of resilience and the impact of challenging the status quo. Her life serves as a compelling reminder of our past and a guiding light for our future. Bolin's journey, marked by unwavering determination and a steadfast commitment to equality, continues to inspire and empower. Her legacy is a testament to the belief that one person's courage can indeed change the course of history. Chapter 6: The Challenges Faced. Jane Matilda Bolin's path to greatness was fraught with challenges. As a Black woman in a predominantly white and male-dominated field, she faced racial and gender prejudices that could have deterred a lesser spirit. Yet these obstacles only fueled her determination to succeed and effect change. Her courage in the face of adversity serves as a powerful example of resilience. Chapter 7: The Innovator in the Courtroom. Judge Bolin was not just a figurehead, she was an innovator. In the courtroom, she implemented reforms that prioritized the welfare of children and families, regardless of their background. Her approach to juvenile justice was holistic, focusing on rehabilitation rather than punishment, a progressive stance for her time. Chapter 8: The Mentor and Role Model. Beyond her judicial duties, Bolin was a mentor and role model to many young attorneys, particularly women and people of color. She understood the importance of representation in the legal field and actively worked to mentor the next generation of legal minds, ensuring that her legacy would endure. Chapter 9: A Life Beyond the Bench. Even after her retirement, Bolin remained an active and influential figure in the community. She continued to speak out against injustice and advocate for equality, inspiring those around her with her unwavering commitment to social justice. Chapter 10: The Echoes of Her Legacy. Jane Matilda Bolin's story is not just a chapter in history. It is a continuing inspiration. Her achievements resonate in today's society, reminding us of the progress made and the work still to be done. She stands as a towering figure, symbolizing the impact one individual can have in the fight for justice and equality. Conclusion: Embracing the legacy. As we reflect on the life and accomplishments of Jane Matilda Bolin, we are reminded of the power of perseverance, courage, and conviction. Her story encourages us to confront challenges with grace and to persist in the face of adversity. Bolin's legacy is a clarion call to each of us to continue the fight for a more just and equitable society. Her life, a beacon of hope and a blueprint for change, inspires us to carry forward the torch of justice and equality for all. Chapter 11: The Impact on Future Generations. Jane Matilda Bolin's groundbreaking achievements set a precedent that resonated across generations. Her career served as a catalyst for change, encouraging more women and people of color to pursue careers in law and justice. Today, the diversity we see in the legal profession owes much to pioneers like Bolin, who dared to challenge the status quo. Chapter 12: The Power of Representation. Bolin's presence on the bench was a powerful statement about representation. She demonstrated that the judiciary, often perceived as distant and unapproachable, could reflect the diversity of the community it serves. Her role as a judge helped to demystify and humanize the legal system for those who felt alienated from it. Chapter 13: A Legacy in Education. Bolin's influence extended into the realm of education. Her life story became a lesson in history, law, and civil rights, educating young minds about the struggles and triumphs in the fight for equality. She became a symbol of what can be achieved through education and determination, inspiring countless students to pursue their dreams against all odds. Chapter 14: The Continuous Struggle for Equality. While Bolin's contributions significantly advanced the cause of justice, her story reminds us that the struggle for equality is ongoing. It serves as a call to action, urging current and future generations to continue the work she and others began, striving for a world where justice and equality are not the exception but the norm. Chapter 15: Honoring Her Memory. In honoring Jane Matilda Bolin, we celebrate not just her achievements but the enduring principles she stood for. Her life is a reminder of the power of individual action in creating societal change. By remembering her story, We commit ourselves to the ideals she championed and the ongoing pursuit of justice and equality. Final reflections. The journey continues. Jane Matilda Bolin's story is one of courage, determination, and groundbreaking achievement. It is a testament to the power of an individual to make a lasting impact on society. Her legacy continues to inspire and challenge us to build a more equitable world. As we reflect on her remarkable life, we recognize that the journey she embarked on is far from over. It is up to each of us to continue the pursuit of justice and equality, inspired by her example and guided by her enduring spirit. Chapter 16. The Ripple Effect of Bolin's Work. The influence of Jane Matilda Bolin extends beyond the legal world. Her commitment to fairness and equality influenced public policy and social attitudes, contributing to a broader societal shift towards inclusivity. By breaking down barriers in her profession, Bolin helped to pave the way for broad civil rights advancements, demonstrating the interconnectedness of social justice movements. Chapter 17. The Transformation of the Legal System. Bolin's tenure as a judge brought about significant changes in the legal system's approach to race and gender. Her reforms in family court, especially those focusing on child welfare and probation services, highlighted the importance of equitable treatment in the justice system. These changes have had a lasting impact, reshaping how the legal system addresses issues of race and ethnicity. Chapter 18. A Symbol of Resilience and Hope. Throughout her life, Bolin stood as a symbol of resilience in the face of adversity and hope for a better future. Her story is particularly poignant in challenging times, reminding us that progress is possible even in the face of seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Chapter 19. The Ongoing Journey for Justice. Jane Matilda Bolin's legacy reminds us that the journey for justice is ongoing. Each generation has a role to play in advancing the cause of equality and fairness. Bolin's life is a call to action, inspiring us to take up the mantle and continue the work that she and others started. Chapter 20. The Enduring Spirit of Jane Matilda Bolin. As we close the book on Jane Matilda Bolin's story, we are left with an enduring image of a woman who stood firm in her convictions and who worked tirelessly for a world where justice is blind to race and gender. Her spirit continues to inspire, guiding us towards a future where equality and justice are realities for all. Chapter 21. A Beacon for Future Leaders. Jane Matilda Bolin's groundbreaking achievements have made her a beacon for future leaders in law and civil rights. Her story serves as a roadmap, showing how perseverance, intelligence, and a commitment to justice can lead to monumental changes, even in the face of daunting societal barriers. Her life encourages emerging leaders to pursue their convictions with the same fervor. Chapter 22. The Influence on Modern Jurisprudence. Bolin's influence is palpably felt in modern jurisprudence. Her efforts in the family court, particularly her focus on equality and fairness, have informed contemporary legal practices and policies. Her vision for a more equitable legal system continues to shape how justice is administered today. Chapter 23. The Legacy in Contemporary Dialogue. The legacy of Jane Matilda Bolin is a critical component of contemporary dialogue on race, gender, and justice. Her achievements are frequently referenced in discussions about diversity in the legal profession and the ongoing efforts to ensure equal treatment under the law. Bolin's life is a powerful example in these conversations, underlining the importance of representation and equity in all societal sectors. Chapter 24. The Inspiration Beyond Borders. While Bolin's impact was most pronounced in the United States, her story transcends national borders. It serves as an inspiration globally, demonstrating how individual courage and dedication can contribute to social change. Her legacy resonates with those fighting for justice and equality worldwide, making her a global symbol of hope and progress. Chapter 25. A Timeless Role Model. As we reflect on the life of Jane Matilda Bolin, we recognize her as a timeless role model. Her story, while rooted in a specific historical context, carries timeless lessons about courage, justice, and the power of an individual to effect change. Her journey continues to motivate and guide those who seek to challenge the status quo and strive for a more equitable world. Conclusion. The Enduring Journey of Jane Matilda Bolin. Jane Matilda Bolin's story is not just one of past triumphs. It is a continuing journey that we are all a part of. Her life reminds us that the pursuit of justice and equality is never complete. It is an ongoing effort that requires each of us to play our part. As we close this chapter on her remarkable life, we are inspired to open new chapters in our own lives, fueled by her enduring spirit and unwavering commitment to a better world for all. Click like, subscribe, and share this channel.